Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make black coffee with lemon juice. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy black coffee with lemon juice in the morning for best results. This helps in weight loss and improve your digestion. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Allow the water to heat up a little. Then to this add half teaspoon of coffee powder. You can go with your preferred coffee brand. Let this boil for 2 minutes in high flame. The essence of the coffee powder is nicely getting extracted. Then to this add 1 tablespoon of palm sugar candy. You can substitute this palm sugar candy with brown sugar if you prefer to. Let this again boil for 1 minute in high flame. Now it's all ready, so off the flame and add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 1 minute. Then strain the black coffee and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this black coffee recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.